The West Australian Government has announced further border controls with the ACT and Tasmania due to rising case numbers. The state recorded 16 new cases, 2 of which are believed to have been infectious in the community.
There have been 2 strains of COVID-19 active in the Western Australian community. A Delta backpacker cluster and at least 1 Omicron positive hotel worker, a pitch the government didn't plan for.
Well, obviously Omicron is the COVID-19 curveball that we're all dealing with, both here, elsewhere in Australia and abroad.
Genomic testing has shown an infectious security guard at the Pan Pacific Hotel does have the more contagious strain. But so far, almost all of his close and casual contacts have tested negative. Despite the promising results, the vaccine commander isn't confident WA can keep Omicron at bay before borders open.
I wouldn't share a lot of confidence that we'll keep Omicron out because we've already got it here. So to totally eradicate it, I think would be fanciful.
Of the 16 new cases, 5 are classed as local, including a second hotel worker, this time from the Hyatt. Investigations are underway to see how they contracted the virus, which strain it is, and if there's a threat to the community.
It's pleasing that the overwhelming number of cases that we've reported today are in quarantine, either at home or in hotels, and so we're continuing to stay on top of these particular incidences.
2 cases linked to the backpacker cluster are believed to have been infectious in the community, with more exposure sites expected. Rapid antigen testing has been banned in WA, predicted to be rolled out once the border opened. However, the acting Premier has announced it will be much sooner.
From next week, the Chief Health Officer will lift the public health ban on the use of rapid antigen tests in WA. We're finalising the exact guidelines around the use and will announce further information ahead of the ban being lifted. This will give businesses, retail outlets and people more certainty going forward.
To further limit spread, the government has announced upgraded border controls for Tasmania and the ACT.
From 12:01 a.m. Saturday, the 8th of January, all jurisdictions except the Northern Territory will be classified as extreme risk.
A month before quarantine-free travel resumes. Holly Edwards-Smith, Sky News, Perth.